My name is Chris Marino. I'm the owner and founder of Extreme Snow Pros. We service all industrial commercial sites, high-end corporate sites, shopping centers, and government institutions. Our biggest obstacle in the snow and ice industry, through my eyes, is labor. During the winter season, we employ upwards of 250 team members. By being able to bring equipment on that reduces our amount of labor is our key to success. We've always been looking for something that was missing, which was something in between a Sidewalk shoveler and a Ventrac ride-on machine, and that's where the SSV came into play. That gives us the ability to get in every nook and cranny where in past we would have to shovel. Typically, some of the operators that might come on to a Ventrac SSV might be an entry-level position. So part of what we think about when we're looking at a machine is how well it's laid out and how easy of use will it be, because at the end of the day, we need to be able to quickly train and safely train a team member and know that it's safe for them as well as simplistic for them. By only relying upon one single person to show up versus having in turn possibly to replace that machine with 15 shovelers gives us ease of mind that we have one operator that can run that machine and replace that many people.